start again. It's a rich thing.
Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best biscuit joiners in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below.
It's a rich thing.
Number 8. Geno Development 1-102 True Power Biscuit Plate Joiner. This inexpensive option is small and lightweight enough that you won't have a problem taking it with you anywhere. It runs at 11,000 RPM and can cut through as much as 0.55 with angles between 0 and 45 degrees for added versatility. It even comes with a 4-carbide tip blade that's designed to be strong enough to get through just about any type of wood. It creates miter joints, T-joints, butt joints, and edge-to-edge cuts with ease, and even includes a dust bag to keep things cleaned up. There are presets built right into the unit for 3 of the most common biscuit sizes: #0, #10, and #20. The adjustable fence is simple to operate, and there's a dust port where you can connect a vacuum if you prefer to really keep things neat and organized. At about 8.4 amps, it's a powerful option that can definitely get the job done, and you can swap out the blades and other pieces as needed. Number 7. Von Haus Wood Biscuit Plate Joiner. This joiner is powered by a robust motor designed to deliver clean, precise cuts, essential for creating strong wood joints. The Von Haus joiner is celebrated for its reliability and ease of use, making it a preferred choice for those looking to enhance their woodworking skills and projects outcomes. The Von Haus Wood Biscuit Plate Joiner is praised for its consistent and reliable performance. Its ability to produce precise cuts with ease makes it a go-to tool for enhancing the strength and aesthetics of wood joints. The joiner's efficiency in creating seamless joints is particularly appreciated in tasks requiring a high level of craftsmanship. Von Haus 8.5 amp biscuit joiner. Whether you're using solid wood, plywood, chipboard, or fiber board, building a treehouse from scratch, or repairing a piece of furniture, this biscuit joiner is the tool you can rely on to seamlessly join 2 pieces of wood. Number 6. AOBend Biscuit Joiner. The AOBend Biscuit Joiner is engineered with a powerful motor and precision cutting capabilities, making it suitable for a variety of woodworking projects, from furniture making to cabinetry. It's known for its durability and ease of use, providing an efficient and reliable way to produce biscuit joints. Users commend the AOBend Biscuit Joiner for its consistent and accurate performance. The tool's ability to quickly and easily produce clean biscuit slots makes it a valuable asset for enhancing the strength and alignment of wood joints. The precision and adjustability of the joiner contribute to high-quality finishes in woodworking projects. Number 5. DCW 682 20-volt Biscuit Joiner. The dual DCW 682 20-volt biscuit joiner is a cordless marvel designed for woodworkers who value portability without compromising on power. The 20-volt max battery system ensures that it delivers consistent performance, even in the most challenging conditions. With an ergonomic design and a weight that's carefully balanced to reduce fatigue, this tool is built for hours of continuous use. The DCW 682 shines in its performance, with a powerful motor that makes clean and precise cuts. The adjustability in depth settings allows for versatility across a range of woodworking projects, from simple frames to more complex furniture assemblies. The tool's cordless nature, powered by dual's reliable 20-volt max battery, provides enough runtime for substantial projects without the need for constant recharges. Number 4. Festool 574,432 Domino Joiner DF500QS. The Festool 574,432 Domino Joiner might not be exactly a biscuit joiner, but it's one of the best tools for similar joinery in furniture and woodworking. The Domino uses Festool-specific hardwood tenons, candy bar-shaped inserts that take the place of traditional biscuits. Instead of a circular blade, it has a drilled bit-like spiral cutter to bore the mortises. This allows users to adjust the depth to prevent it from poking through a workpiece while still getting plenty of surface area for glue. Despite the unconventional joinery method, the Domino does have the flexibility of other biscuit joiners, with a few extras. Users can adjust the fence angle between 0 and 90 degrees with stops at 22.5, 45, 67.5, and 90 degrees, 2 more stops than its competitors. Number 3. Makita XJP3Z 18 volts lithium-ion cordless plate joint. Finding a high-quality cordless biscuit joiner can be tough, but most DIYers will find that the Makita XJP3Z 18 volts lithium-ion cordless plate joiner fits the bill. This biscuit joiner uses Makita's 18 volt lithium-ion battery system to produce a top speed of 12,000 RPM. It can produce up to 320 cuts, or 160 joints, on one battery, allowing for long-term biscuit cutting without a cord holding the tool back. The XJP3Z has plenty of adjustment features as well. It has 6 depths with positive stops for #0, #10, and #20 biscuits. It also has rack and pinion vertical adjustment, though only one side of the cast aluminum fence in a range between 0 and 90 degrees with a positive stop at 45 degrees. It's available for purchase as a set with a battery or as a standalone tool for those who already own a battery for other Makita tools. Number 2. Dual DW682K Plate Joiner Kit. The Dual DW628K Plate Joiner Kit might be just the ticket for DIYers looking for a high-quality biscuit joiner with a heavy-duty motor. This barrel handle joiner features a 6.5 amp motor that runs up to 10,000 RPM, capable of cutting through dense hardwood. The DW682K has plenty of high-end features. The fence has dual-sided vertical rack and pinion adjustments, which keep the blade and fence as parallel as possible. The fence is adjustable between 0 and 90 degrees, with a positive stop at 45 degrees. It also has adjustments for #0, #10, and #20 biscuits. The dual comes with a carbide blade Torx key for the blade, wrench, dust bag, and soft bag for storage. It also includes a vacuum attachment, allowing users to hook up a shop vac or dust collection system to the dust port for simple cleanup. It does weigh 6.6 pounds, so it might be a bit on the heavier end for all-day use. Number 1. Makita PJ7000 Plate Joiner. Folks looking for an all-around biscuit joiner tool that really holds its own will want to check out the Makita Plate Joiner. This barrel-handled biscuit joiner has a 5.6 amp motor, and while that is on the lower end compared to some competitors, it produces speeds up to 11,000 RPM for dense hardwoods. It weighs just 5.5 pounds, has a maximum cutting depth of inch, and includes a carrying case as well as a 4-inch carbide-tipped blade. The PJ7000 offers lots of adjustability. The fence has a rack and pinion vertical adjustment that allows users to dial the joiner into the perfect height. The fence also adjusts between 0 and 90 degrees, with positive stops at 0, 45, and 90. The non-marring rubber inserts on the shoe are engineered to prevent material from slipping, and the tool-less blade cover and shaft block allow for easy blade changes.